we'll be guiding you through on how to make your Pinterest account public or private. If you find this guide helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. So the first step would be clicking on the option that says saved in the bottom right. After that, click on the settings icon on the top right. After the settings menu has popped up, click on the option that says profile visibility. After that, you'll get two options. You can either make your profile private or you can toggle on your search privacy. So what private profile does, it gives you the option to accept or reject the requests that you get when people open your profile. They won't see any pins or boards. They can send you a request that they wanna see the pins and boards, and you can either reject or accept them. So yeah, that way you can control who can watch your or who can see your pins and who can see your boards. After that, the search privacy, what it does is when someone searches for your account in the search bar, they won't really see your account. Your account won't pop up in the search menu when they search for your account. Like here, as you can see, if I search here for someone, for example, if they search for you, you won't pop up. But if they search for your name or your account on Google or any other search engine, it'll pop up. It won't just pop up on the app or the built-in search option, but it will pop up on Google and etc. other search engines. So these are the two options that you can use in order to make your account private, and that's it.